Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Clear with Manaj Garage. Here with another video. As you guys know, got this cutlass for the talking about cutlass. Got this caprice for the low, man. And we've been having a problem. So basically, I still have the problem. So basically I called a guy, say he's a master mechanic. Right here had a pinch in it. There was a pinch in this metal hose right here that leads to the gas. He figured that that was starving the motor of fuel. Fixed that, and it was still doing the same thing. So next solution is this pump right here. It's supposed to be a manual gas pump type of thingy running off of the camel, running off of the motor that sends fuel that appears to be weak. So once I change that, we'll see what's up. But right now the weather has not been in favor of works and stuff like that, so that's what we got going on, man. 86 Caprice. I have been told, yeah, we got a little rust. This whole thing I could get from another car. It's I could probably just cut out and well in. Different stuff like that, you know what I mean? But all in all, it's a well put together car. All original. No, I thought it was original. Okay, I thought it was original. But we're gonna get to that in a bit. The average rust in the freaking in the parts where they be hiding. You feel me? So at least we know the floor is good, the whole in water. But we got some rust here, guys. I ain't tripping about it though. I actually put a little solution on there. That's why it's turning white. It's supposed to turn it to like a paintable surface. It's not exactly rust mod. When I went to glue products here and it was raining, so I pre-tanned when it was raining, so it probably didn't. It ain't do the best job at all. But when I went to glue products in the area, which is the store that I go to for my fiberglass and sandpaper and products in this area, they did not have rust mod, so I just used the alternative, and this is kind of what it does, turn it to like some kind of paintable surface. I'm not sure, but trunk average rust, I don't know about shit. Definitely in better shape than the Cutlass. We got rust on the two sides. This side here appears to be like limping a little bit over here, but not bad at all compared to the Cutlass, man. Not bad at all from what I've seen. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, pouring some stuff. I don't know what the hell it be doing. It's supposed to turn it to like a paintable surface, but that's all I could do for right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, okay, so the front, cause you know I'm already on my stuff. Oh, see, the front door have to open for the back door to open. It's like some kind of, probably the door just gotta be adjusted. Looks alright, looks about alright, but something ain't right here. Cause the front door has to be open for the back door to be open, else the back door won't open on its own cause it's jamming on the front door, or whatever the case may be. Minor little slight work. Bumper filler. So now I thought the car was original until I tried to get a bumper filler, and a guy educated me that, hey, you have on an 80 front. So the 80s front have the Caprice emblem right here, and the 90s front have the Caprice emblem on the right here. So I have on an 80s front, not an 80. it's a 86, but the 86 supposed to have the bumper that has the thingamajetta right here. Oh, the car's been sprayed already too. I don't know, but I'm gonna go back to the original color. This color here is honestly, I like it. It's what the title say, brown and beige, I can't remember. But below here is a different shade than above the line. Like this here type stuff. So I'm gonna brown it with the tan interior, brown interior, or whatever. And we're gonna be. Dashboard is in fairly good condition. Like average stuff, you know. Little moist. I gotta get a car cover for her. I actually freaking ripped one of my car covers because when I tried to put it on, it got hooked up on something and I was pulling it and I didn't even notice it was ripping. But yeah, man, pretty solid car. The floors is good. That's the main thing. That's my main, because that's what got the Cutlass in a chokehold. But yeah, man, it has all the trim and everything. Small thing to a giant, man. But yeah, this is what we got going on, guys. 86. New project. I'm thinking about selling the Cutlass and a Pontiac because I just put all my time into this here. But we'll see what's up, man. Like, share, subscribe, Manard's Garage. Have a good one, guys. I'm in the box Chevy game now. Peace.